Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial Heavy Duty Full Hydraulic Panbrake 2506. This is a 2500 by 5mm mild steel capacity, 2500 by 3mm stainless capacity, and a heavy duty all-round build. We offer these Panbrakes in 1300 wide, 2500 wide, 3200 wide, and also 4 metres. So let's run through the basic operations. Our standard machine runs off a simple protractor setting on the side of the machine. We'll run through that shortly. But so simply set your angle and away you go. There's no encoders, there's no NC, there's no programming. It's actually a very simple foolproof system on using a Panbrake folder. We'll run it in manual mode first of all. So manual mode gives you full control via the foot pedal and also here as well. So we can actually we can release the clamp via the manual and we can clamp it as well. So everything's done via there, and we can also bring it up and down manually via the manual setting only. So that's coming up manually, as you can see there. We're just going to show you the actual heavy duty thickness of this machine here. So this is a 60 millimeter thick solid beam here. We've also got a 60 mil thick solid head. So bending this material, this strength of material, you need a tough machine. So this is the one. So we'll bring it back down again, and we'll show the machine running in automatic mode. So the machine comes standard with a angle on the front of the machine here as well. We've also got OH&S safety guards, so brake allowing the operator to work safely and also meeting workplace environments. So we're going to change that to automatic mode, and it's set at about 90 degrees. So once again, too, we can have release or clamp here as well, and simply by pressing this button here, that'll come up and bend in an automatic cycle. So that'll run up to about 90 degrees, finish your bend, come back down to the start position again, and then the beam will actually open back up to its start position. So we'll just let that cycle. Ready for the next bend. So run around the machine here. On the side of the machine, as I said, we've got the standard controller here. We've got the quick action angle setting on the side of the machine here. As you can see along the actual folding blade, they're all hardened ground blades. On our 2506 model, this gap here is also a very important distance to look at here, because some others on the market will have a 50 mil wide gap. Ours is a true 2506 with about a 20 mil gap there, allowing you to get tighter folds. Behind the machine itself, we've got a manual rack and pinion back gauge here, so that's all calibrated. We've got two finger settings there as well, and simply wind that in and out to position where you want it. This is all calibrated here. Lock that up and away you go. Low noise hydraulics. As you can see, very, very quiet, low noise. We use all German design sort of fittings, pumps, tanks, the whole lot. A very well finished machine, and you need one of these in your workplace. Look at these fittings here. So everything's neatly built to Steelmaster's standard quality. So jump onto assetplant.com.au and find our range of full hydraulic Panbrakes. We've also got manual Panbrakes and a huge range of metalworking and sheet metal machines on our website at assetplant.com.au. Thanks and have a great day.